Hi kids, it's nice to meet you again. In our new video today, for kids knowledge, we are going to be talking about the mighty elephant. Great tusk, huge ears and strong trunk makes the elephant one of the most magnificent creatures on earth. Elephants are the largest living land mammals and has a long fossil history. They are extremely strong and highly intelligent and have been trained to work with humans for thousands of years. Elephants are ecosystem engineers and plays a vital role in their native habitats, helping maintain the rich biodiversity of the spaces they share with other wildlife. There are two kinds of elephants, African savanna and Asian, the Indian elephant. A large African elephant is bigger than the Asian elephants, with much larger ears. Both male and female African elephant grows tusk. The savanna male elephant measures up to 13 feet, that's about 4 meters height, and weighs up to 11 ton, as much as 150 men. African elephant lives in a group called herd. Only females and youngsters live together, whereas the male elephant lives on their own. A family of herd usually contains of 8 to 10 elephants. The Asian elephant. The Asian elephants are smaller than the African cousins. Only some male Asian elephant has tusk. They are probably left in a wild remote forest of India, China and Southeast Asia. Female elephants are quite easy to tame between the age of 10 and 20 years. There are lesser than 50,000 Asian elephants in the world currently. Kids, now I'm going to be talking about the amazing nose of an elephant. Elephant has enormous nose. It's called trunk. Has up to 40,000 muscles. A human has more than 600 muscles in their body. The elephant trunk are not an ordinary nose. They do many jobs than simply smelling. Elephant uses their trunk to eat, to drink, to wash, and they can grip things with the end of their nose, like people do with their hand. In order to drink, the elephant must squirt water into its mouth because it cannot drink through its trunk. And kids, also, did you know that elephant even uses their trunk to hug each other? Baby elephant called culls sucks their trunk when they are scared, cranky or tired. A culls, they may weigh 200 pounds, that's about 100 kilograms, but they need love and comfort just like human babies do. The next magnificent thing about an elephant is its tusk. Elephant tusk serves many purposes. These extended teeth can be used to protect the elephant's trunk, lift and move objects, gather food and strip bark from trees. They can also be used for defense. During time of drought, elephant uses their tusk to dig a hole to find water underground. Alright kids, I have questions to ask you. Can a tusk of an elephant grows back once it's broken? How long does an elephant take to give birth? And Do you know what's the favorite activity of an elephant is? The answers of these questions will be given in the end of our video, so do stay tuned till the end. Kids, these are a few evidence that I have gathered for you today. A generation of elephants from the past. This is Meritarium, lived about 38 million years ago. Woolly mammoth lived about 2 million years ago. The platybaladon lived from 12 to 7 million years ago. And Trilepidon lived from 26 to 3 million years ago. And the prehistoric mammoth became extinct over 3,000 years ago. A recent research has mentioned that in the Russian Federation, a huge hairy elephant called mammoth has been kept preserved in ice, just as if they were in deep freeze. The last frozen remains of mammoth found in North America, Europe, and Asia during the Ice Age. Scientists cannot be certain that the first type of elephant gradually evolved into the next, but it is unlikely that each elephant appears completely separate from the others. It is far more likely that these elephants were related. As we find more fossils, the relationship between elephant species becomes clear. A weird, interesting fact, kids. Rock hyrax, the small, furry, stoutly built hyrax of Africa, is the closest living relative of the elephant, right? The largest animal on earth. Elephant and hyrax shares many anatomical similarities. They both have flat, hoof-like nails on the tip of their toes. In addition to the anatomical similarities, their fossil evidence reveals that hyraxes and elephants share a 40 million years old ancestor. Now, that was an interesting fact, right? Kids, I'd like to share to you a few more facts on how elephants are being treated in this world currently. In early zoos, animals such as elephants were taught to perform for the visitors, as shown in this picture. In few countries, elephants are trained to work for a living. They have proved themselves to be far more cost efficient than modern tractors. They need little fuel and do not rust or need spare parts. Another reason is that elephants are less harmful to the environment. They move timber and take tourists for a ride in their rainforests. Due to the high demand of labor and tourist interest, many of these elephants are taken away from their family in an early age, not allowing them to have a normal life. But in many countries now, animals are no longer trained to perform for the public. In the late 1970s, there were about 1.3 million elephants in Africa. Today, there are fewer than half that number. Poachers kill them for the ivory, and farms are built on the land where they lived. They are being killed at such a rate that they will be extinct within a few decades unless something more is done. In reserves, however, where elephants are protected, their numbers have increased. Today, elephants are on the official list of endangered species, and the trade in elephants and ivory is controlled by the international agreement. Alright kids, we are already nearing to the end of our video. So did you all guess the answers right? I bet you did. The answer for the first question is no. Elephant tusks are actually teeth that extend beyond their mouth. They are connected to the skull and have nerve ending just like our own teeth. The answer for our second question is a female elephant has the longest gestation period of any mammal, that is 22 months. And the final answer for the third question is bathing is a very fun activity for elephants. An elephant's skin is very sensitive and needs lots of bathing to rinse away creepy crawlers and keep it cool. It often sucks up water in its trunk and sprays it over it. Alright, kids, we are done for today. I hope we were able to learn a lot of interesting facts on elephants from this video. Till we meet again for more interesting facts on animals on my next video, stay humble and always stay kind to all animals. Alright? See you on my next video. This is for Kids Knowledge. Bye bye.